Hi, in this video you will see all fields we encounter while filling the form, and if you haven't watched part A video, I'll suggest please do, because it will give you a complete overview of what all things you need in order to complete your skilled worker dependent visa application. So without further ado, let's switch over to click on apply online as your partner. Where you're planning to live. So visa type, partner dependent visa. Select the country where you need to provide your biometrics. If you identify the biometric location, so register an email on which you want to get notified. UK Immigration Office will send a notification on this email. Say UK partner details, nationality and date of birth. Passport details. It's fine you're traveling with, before, after or with. So WAF number you will find on UK Partners Visa Vignette, right corner, and GWF is the application number of UK Partners for skilled worker visa. You can select any of them. Application status, they have skilled worker visa, yes. Sponsor license number, which you get from COS. Occupational code as well from COS. So as UK partner name being informed they are eligible for healthcare visa? No. Is the job is in a shortage occupation list? Yes. If you have to navigate there and check. Certificate of sponsorship? Yes, we have. Number, length of the certificate. Is maintenance is selected at yes on COS? If yes, then yes. These are all the details which you have just filled. So here to provide your email address on which you want to get notified from UK Immigration Office. You have another email address. If yes, then select yes and add. If you don't want to give, then select no and press continue. Your telephone number on which you want to get any notification or calls. We are using this number as business, mobile or home. Do you have any other telephone numbers you want to give? It's going to give by telephone. I can be connected by a telephone call and text message. So you have to give your name, the person who is applying for skilled worker dependent visa. Are you known by any other names? If yes, then add please, and if no, then select no. So relationship status. You have to give your address, how long you have been staying at this address. You have to provide your passport details. Your identity card, if you are from India, you can give Aadhaar card number, and these dates are optional. Your country of nationality, country of birth, so do you have any other nationalities? So relationship status, main applicant relationship evidence, are you still in a relationship? State you are planning to travel to UK. So this is the tentative date. Now these are the details of your UK partner. Date of birth, nationality, Does he currently live with you? If you are, if he's in UK and if you are in India, then no. People financially dependent on you. You have to select if you have children or other relatives who need you for accommodation or the support. So you have to give your parents details. Family who live in the UK. If you have any other family who lives in the UK, then please select yes and fill the details. Are you traveling as a part of an organized group? Traveling with another person? If you will stay in UK, do you know the address? If you know the address of your partner, then please add. Other places you will stay while in UK. UK travel history. I've been in UK in past 10 years. Here it's asking for the country details if you have visited. World travel history, you have to add each and every detail if you have visited any other country. Have you breached any UK immigration law? Do you require any overseas criminal record check? For software engineer, criminal check is not required, but I have still added in the mandatory documents. Please get the police clearance certificate. So these are just behavioral questions, or if you have been terrorist or not. Are you related to your partner? So when you were related to your partner name before you became partners, if you have arranged marriage as we have concept in India, then so you have to add all the details. If you are from India and if you have been partners before, then you have to add what type of the marriage you had, Hindu marriage details. So this is all the information which we have filled. Please go through and cross check if all the details are correct. If there are any amendment needed, you can change. So mandatory documents are the passport who's applying, and here you have to also give your UK partner's visa vignette photo and proof of marriage certificate, TB test. So you have to confirm you are the applicant above 18 years of age. Check your answers, asking for your consent. So now here you have to give IHS fees, which is Immigration Health Surcharge fees. When you click on that link, it will take you to another URL. So this is the fees structure of IHS. Now we are filling the form of IHS. The wife details. So work start date is either your husband's start of work date in UK or UK partner's start date in UK. And if your UK partner, if your travel date is after his start date, then you have to add the date you are planning to travel as the start date. This is a summary of the IHS form which I have just filled. So your UK partner's route, skilled worker, duration, and passport details. It has taken to your summary page. We have filled both of yours and your UK partner details. So it is showing the sum of this amount which you have to pay for IHS. After that, you have to pay it. It will ask you to pay for application fees, whether it's a standard or priority. So these are the next steps. So once you've booked your VFS biometrics, you need to upload all the mandatory plus optional documents onto their site. And please do not panic if you have given biometrics already and if you have missed one or two documents. UK Home Office will notify you over the email asking what all documents they need. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.